The best part about winters is that you start getting these luscious green vegetables. And today I'm going to be making one such veggie with these winter vegetables. So let's see the recipe Papdi Muthia Shaak or Papdi Muthia Sabzi. As the name suggests, there are two components for this recipe. One is the muthia and the other part is the vegetables. So we'll start with making the muthia. I have 1 cup of chopped fenugreek leaves, 3/4 cup of wheat flour, 3/4 cup of gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon hing or Asafoetida, a teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, a small pinch of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of ginger and chilli paste, 2 teaspoons of sugar, salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together first. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix the oil properly with the flour just to make a little crumbly mixture. Add water little at a time and bind it together. Combine everything to make a dough. Don't make a very soft dough. There are 2 ways to make the muthiyas. Either you deep fry them or steam them. In case you're steaming them, you need to add a pinch of soda, make a slightly softer dough and steam them for around 20 minutes. But I'm going to deep fry it, so no need to add any soda. So now let's make some small balls out of these dough. Apply a little bit of oil onto your palms and now make small balls out of this dough. Just 1/2 inch balls, not very big. Time to deep fry these muthiyas. Make sure the oil is medium hot and now drop them in. Make sure you add enough in the pan and deep fry on medium or slow flame. Flip them over. These are done. Let's get them out. Time to make the vegetable now. So the main ingredient is of course the Surti Papdi. So I've taken about 250 grams of the Surti Papdi and I'm just going to show you how to clean it. Cut the edges of the Papdi. These are the ones which are small in size and split them open. So these Papdis are cleaned and washed nicely. These are ready. And now here I have some toor danas which is also available easily during the winter season and it's used in this vegetable. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil into the pressure cooker. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida. Let's add in the papdi now. Next add in 100 grams of toor dana, salt, just a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of soda bicarb. Give all these ingredients a good mix. Around 100 grams of green garlic goes into this recipe. Just peel off the top layer of the garlic and chop off the edge. Chop off the white clove. Chop these finely separately as well as the leaves separately. Into the papdi, I'm going to add in 2 cloves of regular garlic. So this is also finely chopped. The white cloves of the green garlic. Saute the garlic with the papdi for a minute. Cook the garlic, the papdis and the danas for at least 2 minutes in the oil. And now let's add in 1 cup of water. Cover it and cook it for 2 whistles on high flame. As soon as the 2 whistles are up, just release the steam. Give this a mix. I'm going to add in a coriander and coconut mixture. I've taken 1 cup of coriander leaves and half a cup of grated coconut. Grind it together and let's add this in. Add in a tablespoon of ginger and chilli paste, some more salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of coriander powder. Give all these ingredients a good mix. Let's add in the fried muthiyas. All this a very good mix. Add in 1 cup of water. Cover with the pressure cooker lid. Cook this for 1 whistle on high flame and then turn off the flame. As soon as 1 whistle is up, turn off the flame and release the steam. The reason why is that if you leave it covered, there are chances that the color of the vegetable is going to get ruined. So we're going to open it and then cook it for another 2 minutes, and that's it. The vegetable will be ready. We will turn on the flame again and just cook this for another 2 minutes. Give this a stir. You can see how lusciously green this is. I'm also going to add in the greens of the garlic. Give this a good mix and a good boil for 2 minutes. Garnish with some freshly grated coconut. Do enjoy this vegetable with puris, hot parathas or rotis. I'm sure it's going to be a staple in your Gujarati thali this winter. Give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.